And then, from the firmament, a presence made itself felt, a force that silently watched the audacity of Noah's sons and daughters. Humanity, united in effort and purpose, had achieved the unthinkable. But in the eyes of the Creator, what did this heaven-defying tower mean? It was time for divine intervention. "Let us go down and confuse their language there, so that they do not understand one another," was the decision that echoed through heaven and earth, a decree that would irreversibly alter the course of human history. An action to remind humanity of its origins and limits. With the confusion of languages, the unity that existed between peoples evaporated like mist in the sun. The tower, symbol of their joint ambitions, remained unfinished, a monument to their boldness and pride. Communication, once fluid and unifying, it has now become a tangle of misunderstandings. This is how dispersion occurred. From a single language, many were born, and with them, new cultures, traditions, and ways of seeing the world. What was once unity became diversity, a mosaic of humanity that extended throughout the earth. Divine intervention, although it seemed like an obstacle, was actually a gift, the gift of diversity. From the monumental Tower of Babel, a symbol of shared aspirations, emerged a new reality. People, now separated by language, could no longer understand each other. This was the dawn of an age of dispersion, where humanity would be led to all corners of the earth, carrying with it the gift of diversity. As groups spread, the landscape of humanity began to change. New nations were formed, each with its own language, beliefs, and traditions. Diversity, once feared and avoided, became the driving force of innovation and human creativity. With dispersal, the world became a richer and more varied fabric. Each culture contributed its own colors, patterns, and textures to the tapestry of human life. Geographic and linguistic separation, although it seemed like an obstacle, was, in fact, an invitation to explore, learn, and grow. And so, the dispersion of the people was not the end, but a new beginning. What began with a tower that sought to reach the heavens ended with the foundation of a diverse world, where each language, each story, each tradition weaves the narrative collective of humanity. Babel was not a defeat, it was the cradle of the cultural diversity we celebrate today.